Just like how a photographer captures a photo, an artist paints a picture, the intentions behind making the work, and it's very similar to how dance is, except that it's a more fleeting version of the art form. I'm thinking about the body as a tool to capture certain emotions, experiences, and memories, and presenting that in the form of movement. And through this work, I'm working with the dancers to bring that out. Various art forms actually are more closely linked than we think. So how art forms can influence, can affect, can support one another, to see how this kind of cross-pollination of art can happen. I find there are many parallels in how visual artists conceptualize their work and how a performance artist like myself conceptualize work. We come together to explore movement, explore deeper connections with ourselves, and through that we make works that are relevant, and we try to find ways to show that to the audience in a meaningful manner.